This bill before us creates a new crime of staging a motor vehicle accident, which would be punishable as a felony offense. Staging an accident under this bill is defined as intentionally causing a collision for the purpose of committing insurance fraud. In a staged accident, the participants risk their own safety, their target's safety, as well as the safety of the general motoring public. And the bill before us is referred to as Alice's Law. It's named after Alice Ross, who was a 70-year-old grandmother who was killed as a result of a staged accident in the New York City borough of Queens. In fact, today is the 8th anniversary of the death of Alice Ross. Mrs. Ross was on her way to her daughter's house when she was intentionally struck in the rear of her vehicle by three men who were out searching for an unsuspecting victim. And the impact of this staged accident caused Mrs. Ross's vehicle to leave the highway and crash head-on into a tree, causing her death. And after the accident, the three perpetrators, as is the case in these staged accidents, they were taken to a medical center where they feigned an assortment of injuries in order to collect on phony injury claims through the no-fault system. So this bill will not only help to contain no-fault fraud and reduce insurance premiums, but it also will create safety for everyone on our roadways. It is critical that we take steps to crack down on the criminals who perpetrate no-fault fraud and harm innocent people like Alice Ross in the process. Because no-fault fraud is on the rise across the state, particularly in the New York City area. In fact, it's estimated that 1 out of every 5 no-fault claims in the downstate area show evidence of fraud. And overall, no-fault fraud costs New York State residents more than $241 million last year in higher auto insurance premiums. So this bill will help not only to reduce that burden, but also to promote safer traveling on our highways. Mr. President, I vote aye.